So, hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram community guidelines. So, if you want to fix a problem that you have with the community guidelines, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you wanna do is keep watching until the end, and second thing is you need to open your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, you have to go to your profile, go to the top corner, click on those three lines, click on the settings, and now click on the account and click on personal information. Now here you have to go back, go back, click on the account option from here, click on the this option right here, accounts.u, and now you have to make sure that to post a post. Now you need to go back, click on help, click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and then right here you need to report a problem, briefly explain what happened or what's not working, click next, and then you have to check your email. You will get an email from the Instagram support team. Don't forget to like, subscribe.